Ever get sick of the same old makeup routine? You try to switch it up, but you're just not satisfied after spending wasted time and money on products that don't work for you. Introducing the Bold Beauty Method, an 8-week online program that walks you through the fundamentals of makeup, but more specifically, how to become your own makeup pro. Whether it's perfecting your everyday or creating a variety of looks all the time, you get to choose what works for you and get really good at it. My goal for you by the end of this program is to deeply understand how to enhance your best features, what products work best for you, and how to switch up your makeup routine on the daily. 15 minutes or less is all you need to have fun with your routine. You'll be set for the day feeling good about the way you look so you can be prepared for whatever the day brings. Yes, it's possible, and yes, even if you're starting from scratch. What the Bold Beauty Method is all about. I believe if you understand the science behind what you're doing, you'll have a deeper understanding of the concept. I broke it down each subject to makeup to be easily understood using different techniques with 4 different models of all different ages, skin tones, and skin types. What we'll cover. We'll cover everything from complexion to eyes and the science behind it all, leaving you with a new perspective around makeup and the confidence that goes along with it. How it works. Each week, you'll gain access to new training videos along with a live call where I'll help you implement the steps in real time and answer any questions that you have. You'll immediately put everything into practice using the same time that you'd already be using when you get ready for the day. Community. We also have a super rad community that supports and inspires each other. The connections that we make through this experience is really something special. And I'm now using a new community platform that I'm completely obsessed with, and I know that you will be too. Personalized feedback. One of the best parts to this course is the personalized feedback. It's important to me that you get results. You'll get as much out of it as you put into it, meaning the more that you practice and the more that you show up, the bigger your transformation around makeup will be. And plus, it's a whole lot of fun. Whether you've done the same thing for 10 plus years or you just want to be intentional with your style, the Bold Beauty Method is all about aligning who you are with how you want to be perceived by the world, but more importantly, how you want to look for yourself. This makeup course is not just about putting makeup on your face. It's about creating individual expression and understanding how to create looks that make you feel like your best self. So if you're ready to step into your next level of confidence, join me in the next round of the Bold Beauty Method. I'll see you on the inside.